Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Diski One Way, where we talk all things football. In today's news, man, we're gonna be talking all things Kaizer Chiefs. First on the news, let us address the situation Ega Fiston Mayele. I hear a lot of rumors that he's going to be joining Kaizer Chiefs soon. So I'm here to clarify that for y'all because you know me guys, I'm all about facts. So what's happening with Fiston Mayele is that E-Pyramid offered him a 2-year extension, meaning that they want to sign him for another 2 years. And if you didn't know, E-Pyramids are one of the highest paying clubs in Africa, not just in Egypt but then in Africa. So I don't see the deal going through Kaizer Chiefs, simply because Kaizer Chiefs are offering him 14 million, which is it's a small money to offer a player like Mayele. And ngapha nabo my friend Al Ahly bayamfuna. So I will keep you updated on this Fistos Mayele situation. Yes, moving right along. In other news, and in this channel guys, we're all about facts. So what's happening right now is that Kaizer Chiefs, they are busy negotiating a deal with a 29-year-old player who plays for Young Africans, who goes by the name of Aziziki. That's where attention Kaizer Chiefs is right now. They want a quality striker, and trust me guys, Aziziki is a quality striker. Umtabula manet. So Kaizer Chiefs right now is busy with that. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and let me know how do you feel about this information I'm giving you. Yes, moving right along. In other news, and what's good news for the Khosi Nation, is that George Matlow is back. And according to him, he's fully recovered, fully fit. He's been struggling with injuries for the longest time, but then right now he is back. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about George Matlow being back to Kaizer Chiefs. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about that. Yes, moving right along. In other news, Kaizer Chiefs will be looking to offload some of their players come end of the season. And according to Amasoso Amamnandi, these are the players who are most likely to leave Kaizer Chiefs come end of the season. Number 1, Fakri Ntwari. Number 2, Eden McCarthy. Number 3, George Matlow. Number 4, Tebogo Phosani. Number 5, Mtutuzi Mtanzani. And number 6, Ranger Shifaviro. So please comment and let me know how you feel about that. Yes, moving right along. In other news, according to Isokala Duma, Kaizer Chiefs are making moves. They want to sign the 25-year-old player who plays for Ichipa United, who goes by the name of Thabo Makele. He is a defender. So according to Isokala Duma, Kaizer Chiefs are busy negotiating that deal with Ichipa United. So please comment and let me know how you feel about that. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Nyan fatela tanko.